95.7 The Hog, Daytona's rock station, about to be Daytona's thirst-quenching station, a Morning Hog Brew Review. We got flavors from Tampa Bay Brewing Company, Big Storm, Allagash, and we're about to get ice, Smirnoff Ice, all of those in the house. Josh is here from SR Prod. It's a Morning Hog Brew Review on 95.7 The Hog. 95.7 The Hog, Daytona's rock station, Daytona's drink station right now, because it's Morning Hog Brew Review. Steve's ready. I'm ready. Josh from SR Prod, are you ready? Yes, he's ready. Woo! Morning Hog Brew Review time. Good morning, buddy.
How's it going?
Happy Friday to you.
Absolutely.
Thanks very much for kicking off our weekends, always in a great way, but especially today because you brought some very interesting flavor palette right here.
I brought summer in cans.
Oh, I love this. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Well, it is. We need to find a way to quench our thirst in the steaming Florida heat. Where should we start?
Well, these are coming up right before July 4th.
Oh, that's right. Oh,
so these are the ones you want to have for the fireworks.
Look out. Okay.
So can we say these are fireworks in a can?
Let's do it.
All right, cool.
Let's do it. Light the fuse.
All right, so we're going to start off with Allagash.
Okay.
They're seconds to summer.
Seconds.
Whoa.
Yeah. Alec, I don't even know what that is.
So this is the first time I'm having it as well.
Okay.
We picked up Allagash about a year ago now. Yeah. So it's cool. We're finally starting to get some of their seasonals and special releases and stuff like that.
Okay.
But this is just their summer lager, essentially.
Where is Allagash out of? Where are they from?
Oh, man, you put me on the spot.
That's all right. Steve will tell us. He'll Google it in a minute.
I know the answer. They're out of Maine.
I was going to say New York City.
I was going through the Rolodex in my head. I deal with 50 breweries, so I got to remember. But yeah, Maine. They do the great Allagash White River Trip.
Oh, wow.
Seconds to summer.
Okay.
So I'm looking forward to this.
Yes.
I can see right there.
Allagash, Maine.
Oh, well, see?
Thanks for verifying.
Seconds later, verifying the proximity of Allagash.
4.5%.
I'm digging this for sure.
Yeah. Wow. That's a lot of flavor for 4.5%.
Hey, I agree.
Right?
Especially for, just a nice summer lager. Tons of flavor.
It tastes like... it doesn't really taste like a lager 100%. I'm getting...
So you're not...
So much of like a sort of an IPA. A little bit.
So you're getting a little bit of hop profile.
Okay.
Let's say that.
Okay.
And that's just because this is a craft lager, right?
Okay.
So you're getting all your flavors are going to be amped up compared to your Miller Lights and stuff like that out there. And that's what I want from a craft lager. I want something that's super clean, crisp. I mean, if you look at it, it's beautiful. The color,
wow,
fantastic, easy drinking.
Like
something you sit on the lake, the beach.
That's a shocker. That's the first time you've had it too.
Yeah, absolutely, and it's delicious.
It has a lot of, a really deep flavor for the minimal amount of alcohol in it, which means you could go all day with this thing, bro. I mean, you could just take a vacation, just drink it nonstop.
Absolutely, and I mean, like I said, Allagash has been around for quite some time. I'm glad we finally got him down here in Florida. Yeah. So to be able to have some of these extra flavors is just fantastic.
Well, welcome to the portfolio, Allagash. We will. I've sniffed you before. Now I'm going to be. I'm going to full snout of you now. Wow, seconds to summer.
Seconds to summer.
Okay, all right.
Which kind of transitions to our next beer.
All right, what's the next one?
Which are last days of summer.
Oh, that's right. I used to get depressed when I drink this beer because I think, the last days of summer. It's almost ever like no. We're just going right. This is the big Tampa Bay Brewing Company seasonal opportunity for you to buy as many of these as you can and hoard them.
Exactly. Right? And I have friends that literally buy cases and cases of this and hoard.
Yeah, that's weird and yet understandable because when you taste it, you're going to want to do this.
Just don't let them go bad.
So what is
they don't.
What is the
not
the secret, but what is hidden inside this tall boy can?
So this is their fruited sour ale.
Okay.
It's actually one of my favorite sours that is on the market. Unfortunately, it is a seasonal, so it's not year round. So if you see it, grab it. 16-ounce can on this.
Yeah.
The Allagash was actually a 12-pack, 12-ounce.
Really?
So it's not available in 6-packs. It was only available in 12-packs.
Okay.
Check out Total Wine, some local independents, or check out the website.
Oh, you can go to srprot.com/beer-finder and find one like I have right here in my hand.
Exactly.
Okay. Or everybody else for that matter.
So, like I said, this is a fruited sour ale, so it's not going to be that super, destroy you. You know, some of the sours give you instant heartburn. This is really nice, kind of mellow, but still, serviceable as a sour. Peach, mango. Come on, man.
Is that what's mixing around in there? Peach and mango? Okay. All right. I mean, if you're going to have a fruit fight in your mouth, this is the right way to do it right here.
If I'm not mistaken, I remember our buddy Jeremy one time, he said this beer essentially was an accident.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
A lot of sours tend to be that
way. Like we were trying for something, we got this, and then everybody was like, give us more.
Yeah, exactly. Yep.
I like that. That's good trouble right there. Steve, you like the sours a lot. This is right up your alley.
I love a sour.
I call this a steep. Whoa. Okay. Strong feelings. Again, this is this was a guy who recently talked about beer being married as opposed to engaged.
Correct.
With other elements.
So are you married to this beer or engaged?
I would say I'm married.
Okay, perfect.
Wow, okay.
Right.
Commitment. All right.
I can live with it forever.
Okay.
Let's get the vows written up.
Good. Wow, that's a lot to think about. Okay, we're going to get a pastor. We'll be right back. More Morning Hog Brew Review right here on Daytona's Rock Station, 95.7 The Hog. 95.7 The Hog, the Morning Hog. It's happy hour. Rick, Steve, Josh, SR Perrott. That's who brings us these flavors that you're having so far. We had 2 flavors in round 1. Round 2, we're about to get into something I feel like is equal parts pie and 4th of July excitement, right?
Yeah. There. All right. I dig that.
Is that good?
Yeah. 4th of July and pie.
I like it.
Like you said, one to bring summer flavors. We're sitting right before July 4th here.
Yeah.
So Big Storms, Sunny Key Lime.
Okay.
Wheat. So this at some point was actually called Key Lime Shandy.
Okay.
Technically not a shandy.
All right.
So they were like, well, maybe we should go ahead and rebrand this and call it what it actually is.
The term might throw somebody off.
Right.
Okay. I get you.
But when you taste it, you'll see why they were able to call it a shandy and why they did.
Oh boy.
It made a lot of sense,
so good. All right.
So 4.5%. It's been around for a little while.
Oh.
4-pack, 16-ounce cans.
Session. Hello.
I'm digging this.
Whoa.
I got Steve's eyes popping.
When we have the beer festivals getting towards the summer, this is my go-to.
Okay.
While I'm working because it's so, again, sessionable. 4.5%, super crisp, light, refreshing. It's delicious.
It's a smart move right there to be able to survive a day. But then I also feel like when you're in the midst of this heat and maybe you got bottle rockets sitting around, you're like, let me just think about where I want to launch these. You have a bunch of beers, you forget all about the fireworks.
I'm all right with that.
I don't forget about the fireworks.
No, Steve doesn't.
No.
Everybody seems to record them anyway, so I can watch it later.
It's a really good point. I can watch everybody else's. I feel like I do feel like I want a dollop of whipped cream right now, though.
Okay, all right.
Throw that in there, maybe.
Some graham cracker crumbles.
Oh yes, please. Graham cracker crust.
Crackers?
Pie. Okay,
isn't that what key lime?
Steve hates cake. He's
I'm
full
not a cake guy
anti-cake.
either.
I don't really eat much cake
I'm
either.
with you.
But as far as pie goes, it's got to have graham cracker crust, right?
Right.
Well, yeah.
Okay. We're all in agreement. Well, look at that. Well, cheers to that.
All right, so here you go, dude.
All right. 3 Musketeers.
Graham cracker.
Yeah.
Rimmed glass.
Yeah. Right.
Does that sound good
Steve,
to you?
Can you get that done for us?
No.
Okay. All right. He can't make that happen.
Out of that magic backpack.
He had a jar of graham crackers over there, crushed, and he's been eating them during the show, and I guess they're gone. All right. Well, that's fine. Well, the beer will suffice. So this is very good. And, of course, Big Storm always pumping out some fun, seasonal fun.
Actually, Big Storm now has a brewery in Orlando attached to the Magic Arena.
Why am I not there?
I don't know what it's called now.
Amway or the whatever
Funway?
Amway?
Amway now?
Yeah.
No, Amelie's in Tampa.
Amway.
Okay, yeah. So it's
Amway
attached to the
Center.
Amway Center.
Yeah.
They have a tap room.
I honk at it when I drive by, but I forget about them being there.
Yep.
Now we'll just
so
stop
all the way
and
out
drink.
in Tampa here.
Yeah.
They have a couple more sister locations as well, but go check them out in Orlando. I'm sure they'll have this on tap for you.
Okay, that's exceptional. All right, there's one more can standing there unopened.
So, I figured 4th of July, we can't not have a red, white, and blue.
Oh, that's smart.
So we got Smirnoff's Ice, red, white, and berry.
Okay.
Blue raspberry, cherry, citrus.
Okay, now I've had this
Bomb
vodka
pop.
before, right?
Yes.
Bomb pop.
Bomb pop indeed.
Smirnoff has this in vodka, and it's incredible.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
So we can, punch this up is what you're telling me?
Yeah, I feel like it.
In fact, I have a bottle of that vodka in our freezer now.
Look at that.
So I know what we're doing. After
Okay,
this.
so we're going to Steve's house in just a minute after the show wraps up.
Perfect.
Josh.
I have 2 12-packs of this.
Yeah, you can ride
clean
in
the
my
pool.
car. Yeah.
You have a pool?
Yeah, he's got a pool, yeah.
What?
I know, right? Why have we not done a brew review
I'm
from
super
Steve's
disappointed
pool?
right now.
Okay, so this is like we got another month or something to squeeze in some stuff. Let's try to go to Steve's pool and do a brew review from
And
there.
then you can see my stomach henna tattoo.
That would be great, dude. I would love to see that, actually. Yeah, we asked Josh to show it to us here in the studio, but he was a little shy. And I understand.
I need a few drinks.
The last thing you want to do is sexually harass a dude for no reason. Okay, so this has already got like so you get the sweet aroma of this.
Oh yeah, I mean, as soon as I popped open the can, I could smell it, and it. I mean, maybe alcohol and nostalgia is the wrong word.
Okay,
but it does smell like a bomb pop.
Yes, it does.
It tastes like a bomb pop.
Yep.
All right, yeah. I feel like I should give an ice cream man like $5 and just buy a round for us, right?
I really like that.
Yeah.
Maybe that's one of my guilty pleasures, but
yeah,
I enjoy that.
I'm hearing the creepy ice cream man song, coming out of the truck. Among our fans,
the warped music.
Yep. Mm-hmm.
Like from Twisted Metal or something.
Yeah, exactly.
Like it's been out there for 20 years.
Right.
The sun.
Yeah.
Melted tape.
It's like Three Blind Mice, but it's a little off. It's in a minor key, as if like Korn did it or something.
All right.
But that's
that.
that's very good though, and I feel like that would be the. So
it's fun.
If you're watching fireworks, that's going to make them more fun.
Oh, absolutely, 100%, and especially if you can pump it up with some of their vodka.
Now, are those like standard standalone things, or where do you find those?
That actually is. It's a 12 pack. It's not a variety pack, so you get 12 of those guys.
Oh boy,
in your 12 pack. They make these in 24-ounce bottles.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Yeah.
24
ounce bottles. Yeah. And then they also make a seltzer version of this that is zero sugar. You can kind of get your red, white, and berry however you like it.
So if you're planning on being healthy for July 4th, you can do that as well with the zero sugar. But whatever your indulgence is, you can find them all at srprod.com/beerfinder.
Bingo.
That's right. Get that right there. All right. Well, now July 4th seems to be more sensible because now we have. Because I didn't know what I was going to do, but now you've given us a palette of flavors in between. Watching fireworks. What else we do on July 4th, Steve? At your place, I would imagine.
I'm just going to stay
barbecue.
Yeah. Barbecue. Okay.
Okay. All right.
I can smoke some meats.
What are you making?
Hamburgers.
Okay. I don't eat those.
Baby back
ribs. You got anything for me? No, I don't like that. It's too messy.
You're SOL, man.
Unless you got nothing?
Skinny dipping.
Can you give them a tortilla to throw the burger in?
Yeah. Yeah, could you do that? Could you turn it into some form of
taco? Into a taco
yeah.
form?
Yeah, if you can do that, I'm in.
Like a hamburger taco?
Don't say the word hamburger and I'll eat it, okay?
Okay.
All right, good. All right, well, until next week, Josh, thank you very much. Happy 4th of July. Cheers.
Cheers.